Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join meeting on Zoom. For that, first of all, open up Zoom app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the join option. Enter the meeting ID of the host. Enter your display name. Select whether you want to connect your audio or not, and then select whether you want to turn off your video or turn it on. After you are done, tap on the blue tab that says join. Now you'll have to enter your meeting password. When you are done, tap on OK. This way you can easily join meeting on Zoom. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.